Hi everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. Katya and Marina, привет! This video is for you. As I said, you guys can request your favorite cocktails. All you have to do is just subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Marina requested something sweet and soft, and Katya suggested to make her favorite cocktail Sex on the Beach. And that's the drink we're going to make today. Well, I was a little curious about where the name came from, and apparently the drink was created by a young bartender from Florida in 1987. When he presented his cocktail on a local competition to the judges, he said he named the drink after two favorite things people like to do in Florida during the summer break. Well, that's the story, but since then the drink became very popular. It's fruity but not too sweet. And we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of vodka, half an ounce of peach schnapps. Peach schnapps is a peach flavored liqueur. Let's add some ice. And fill it up with equal parts of orange and cranberry juices. I would like to garnish it with a little umbrella, the flag, orange and cherry. And this is the perfect summer cocktail. I would say it's a girly drink, but if the guy orders a drink, no shame on you. Just as a suggestion to a bartender, make it in a different glass, maybe a rocks glass, and leave of umbrella. And that's how you make these drinks. Thank you so much for watching. Fancy Cocktails with Olga. Drink responsibly. I'll see you next time.